Hi guys, mail time. No, it's not a pair of trainers. I've already opened it. I confess I couldn't wait any longer. There is no business card with this, but it is from Emily over at, oh please focus, do as you're told. There we go. Over at Maddie's Craft Box. It's not liking that, is it? Come on. I think that's about as good as we're going to get. But yeah, so Emily over at Maddie's Craft Box. Now, links as always will be below. But look at these. They're so cool. They are teddies. I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. I blame Michelle over at Shell's CCC. I really do. It's all her fault. Maddie was having an event, a sale event, and I didn't know because I wasn't aware of her anyway, but Michelle posted the link to the event on her page, so of course I had to go over and have a look. And oh my gosh, yeah, I think I bought nearly everything that she had, not even in her event. There were a couple of things I found in there that I liked, and I found the crochet teddy section, and I'm like, ooh. So then I went to her actual page, because there were only a few in the event. So then I went to her actual page and found the crochet teddies album, and I think I've ordered one of everything that were in there. But yeah, but this was in the event. How cool is this? It's so cute, so cute. It's got a little top knot that you can play with. These are not CE tested, by the way, guys. These are just like collectibles, but cute. So cute. I love it. I couldn't resist. How cool is that? It's quite big as well, but I love it. It's so cool. Fits in well here, really does. And so there was that one, and then like I said, after seeing this one I thought, oh, I've got to go and have a look at the others. I'll have a look on her page. So I went and had a look on her page, and like I said, I found the crochet teddies album, and then I found this lot, and oh my gosh, there we go. So we have like mama turtle, and then we have like baby turtle, tortoise, whatever they are. But they're so cute. So cute. And they're so soft and squishy as well. So fluff, like stuff. They're soft and stuffy. They're really cool. Really, really cool. So cute. They're like little bite-sized things. They're so, so cute. Could not resist. And then there was... It's like hard trying to find which one to show you next. I'll show you these two because these are just adorable dogs. Little cute doggies. Look at this. And then, oh my gosh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one when it focuses. How stinking cute is that? Look at it. It's so tiny. So freaking tiny. It is adorable. So adorable. Like I said, these are not CE tested for kids. So, it's so cute. Then a duck. Had to have a duck. It's so cool. They're just all so cool, and I love how soft and squishy they are. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have my own little animal menagerie going on. Oh, and then of course we had to have an owl. Oh, gorgeous. Love the colours. Really love the colours in this one. So cute. Adorable. And then we had elephant. I love this one. I love the size of this one. Little tufty hair. This is just way too cute. Way too cute for words. So cool. I had to have elephant. Then, of course, dinosaur. Grr. we had to have a dinosaur. We just had to. It is awesome. So cute. They're all just so cute. That's all I'm going to say throughout the whole of this video is just so cute. And then, last but not least, save the best for last, although they are all amazing, but this is just like, oh my gosh. This is my favourite. I was like, proper, oh my gosh, when I saw it. But yeah. Unicorn! Look at this little beauty. Isn't it cute? And it's got sparkles in its yarn. Look. How cute is that? I know I'm a big kid. I really, really am a big kid, but I don't care. But yes. Anyway, I did purchase these with the intentions of using them to play with the grandbabies, not give to the grandbabies to play with them with the grandbabies, because I sit on the floor and I play with them with teddies and all sorts. But yes, I mean, so they are not safety tested for children, so the children will never be left alone with them. But like I said, they're not anyway, because when they come to play, when the grandbabies come, they're in the front room with us anyway. But I will play with these with the children, but I will sit on the floor and play with them. But yeah, so cute. So cute. I love them. But yeah, what an awesome collection, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Emily. It's just awesome. Oh, and yeah, Michelle messaged me when I messaged her and I showed her picture. I'm like, oh, I had to do it. You made me do it. She messaged me, she messaged me back, did Michelle, and she's like, oh, I'm so glad. I had a feeling you might do, and I'm so glad that you did. And by the way, in case you're going to do a video, she knows me too well. In case you're going to do a video and not tell her, which she knows me too well, sometimes I do like to do these things as a bit of a surprise for new crafters that I purchase from. Like regular crafters I purchase from know that I do these things. New ones don't necessarily know that I do them. I usually do it then tell them. But Michelle's like, right, said a few things before you do your video. Obviously, it's Maddie's craft box, but she's called Emily, and apparently Maddi is the name of her dog, hence the little paw print. So, yeah, thank you, Emily. They are absolutely gorgeous. And honestly, guys, I have to say, Emily is a superstar, an absolute superstar. Any other crafter, when I placed this order, there was quite a few hiccups, not on her part, on my part. Any other crafter would have thought I were being really, really fussy and awkward and a pain in the butt. Because in a way I was. I placed the order, everything was fine. And then she messaged me and said, apologised that apparently... Do you know, I can't remember which one it was. Could it have been... I think it might have been one of the dogs or the elephant or something, or even one of the turtles. I can't remember, but she messaged apologising that her mum, I think she said her mum, had sold one and hadn't told her. Would it be okay to hold on until she'd made another one? I'm like, yeah, that's fine. There's no rush. Don't worry about it. Perfectly fine. Not a problem. So that were fine. And then I had to message her a few days after and say, could we please put the invoice on hold, or if you've sent it, I'm going to have to put it on hold paying it, because I locked myself out of my internet banking because I'm such an idiot. I forgot my password. Actually, I didn't forget my password. I forgot my memorable information to get online. Because, idiot me, before using this phone that I video with, I used my Google Pixel phone, which has fingerprint ID recognition. And yeah, you can use the fingerprint on that phone to bypass the memorable information. So you just go to the online banking app, put your fingerprint in, it takes you straight to your accounts. I don't have to put the memorable information in. And I've spent the last 18 months using that phone, so of course, and I very rarely ever use my internet banking on the PC. But yeah, so stupid me, when I come to put everything on this phone, I forgot my memorable information and locked myself out of my online banking, which suspended PayPal and everything. So it was like, oh my god, I can't believe I've just done that, and I've just placed an order with Maddi. I'm like, oh no, no, no. But anyway, she was absolutely amazing. You waited until I managed to get down to the bank and sort it all out. Absolute superstar. Thank you so much. But yeah, awesome. Just awesome. But yeah, so honestly, like I said, customer care, customer service care, absolutely top notch. Thank you so much. Yeah, I love it. And I just love everything. It's so cute. So, so cute. And like I said, I think I've pretty much purchased one of everything that she had in her crochet Teddy album, but I'm so glad I did because it's just amazing. I love it. Can't you tell I'm excited? I love it. I can see a few of these going missing when my daughter sees this video or sees the teddies. You're not having them, they're mine. But yeah, mine, Nana, mine. My daughter's unicorn crazy, mine. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please, 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 please go check her out. And I can't wait to get this video uploaded and then send her a link to it because she has no idea I'm doing this. Hi! But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Go check her out. Thank you, Emily, for all your help and perseverance. And oh, thank you. Just thank you. You're a superstar. I can't believe I was so stupid. But anyway, you are a superstar. Thank you, Shell, for sharing the link to Emily's event, actually, that was going on at the time in the first place, that then led me to going and looking on her page in her album. But yeah, awesome. And I will be keeping my eye out on your page for any new things that you come up with. So awesome. Right, I'm going to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.